Righto folks, it's 5 PM, no time for fancy introductions. I've got about an hour and I'm going fishing in that creek. Hey you! You're watching Robbie Fishing. Now before I go fishing in this creek, I'm going to bring you a four-wheel drive tip. I've just come down on quite a, not a super steep, but a reasonably steep incline, but it's quite a long decline, and it's quite a long decline, and I've been riding my brakes all the way down. If you're ever at the bush four-wheel driving and you come down a long decline like that and you ride your brakes, it's a good idea to pull over for 5 minutes before you cross the creek if you can, just to let your brakes cool down a little bit. This four-wheel drive tip proudly brought to you by ARB for the best and greatest in four-wheel drive accessories. Righto. Is there a fish in the crossing? Oh yes, there is. There is a little trout there. That's a start. A fellow on a swipe in the crossing before I even start. That's a start before I even start. Might be about all I get though. I can't walk up in there. That's mad. Alright folks, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Jesus. No, I'm determined. There's a nice looking bit of water there, and if there's a fish here, there's going to be a fish there. So I'm just going to see if I can... cold. I reckon I might get a fish here if I'm lucky. Just looks the goods. Oh, got him! Look! Didn't I tell you? Look at that! Come on, buddy! Yeah, look at that, hey? He has taken the all-new Strike Tiger Nymph in trout roe colour with the red jig head, the new coloured jig heads in red colour. I'll get a quick photo, then I'll put him back. Hey you've been a guest star on the Robbie Fishing channel. See you later, mate. Tong. Nice cast, Robbie Alexander. Tight little corner. Might be a fish there, though. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Ooh, a fish followed that then. I thought I bloody saw something on the first cast. Righto folks, that's it from me. It's 5:30 and I reckon I've covered about 150 metres. I have just been scratched to bloody ripped to shreds by blackberries. I fell flat on my backside in the thick scrub. I've pruned more bloody trees than I've ever pruned in my veggie garden. It's been bloody tough going. I caught one fish in the very first hole and I had another follow back then. The fish are here and I reckon if I find a nice hole I'll catch fish, but that's bloody hard work.